Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Dad and Lad Adventures. My name's Gareth and in the back is
Josh.
Yeah, and we are off to Sunday's River today. We are going to go and do a little bit of fishing. The wind's supposed to come up a bit this afternoon, but hopefully it's not going to be too bad out there. Apparently the guys have been catching some fish, so we're going to go and try our luck, and yeah, we'll chat soon. Yes, what a beautiful evening, guys. So the wind's a little bit windy back home, but it seems to be alright here. There goes another guy. We're gonna just try and get some mullet here quick and see what happens. Hi there guys, okay, well we are on our way to the spot we're going to sleep tonight. We threw for some mullet, didn't have a lot of success. Got one monster mullet and then a couple of really small mullet. So once we've settled in and got ourselves ready, I'll update you. But man, you couldn't ask for a more beautiful evening in Sunday's River. Unbelievable. Okay guys, just to give you a little bit of an update, so we got some lines in the water. There's not a breath of wind. Josh is busy having something to eat and having some chill out time. Is your sandwich good, boy? And we'll just show you what we're doing here. We got a little cob on the go, doing some toasted salmies, and then going to be doing some chicken on it soon. So we're going to be eating pretty good tonight. Okay, well, just to show you now, so now we've got some sundowners on the go. Yum. Morning guys, welcome to the next morning. Say hello Josh. Beautiful morning, very still night last night. Got one small little grunter, but didn't do a recording for it. We've got some rods out now, trying to see if we can maybe pick up a little cobby or whatever. The river's looking beautiful this morning. Weather's really good. So we'll see what we can get. So for those of you that don't have a boat and still want to come down to Sunday's River, there are some boats that you can organise. There's one called Sundays, and there's also Sunday's River Adventure that you can come down and go on a little cruise on the boat, and then you can actually get to explore the beauty that this river has to offer. What you doing, boy? A boy and a net. Makes him very happy. Well, just want to show you guys this. This is like, it's nice and still. There's a little bit of a breeze, but yes, man, it really looks so good. A couple boats in the water. Everyone kind of got the same plan as us today. Lekker, man. Hey guys, well, it's been pretty quiet. We just actually caught a little barbel, which we've put back. But other than that, it's been very quiet. There's been some guys that have been drifting down and throwing with some paddle tails and that. And the guy landed into something quite big earlier, but as he got it up to the side of the boat, it pulled through the mouth. So unlucky for him, but yeah, we're just chilling inside the cabin now. And yeah, we got some bait out and we'll see what we catch. What do you want to say, Josh? Do you want to tell everyone about your tooth? Can you show us your tooth? Josh lost his first tooth the other day. Hey Josh, have you got more wiggly teeth?
Yeah.
How many?
I don't know, I think 3 or 2.
3 or 2, okay. Cool. As you can see, we haven't really been catching any fish, but Josh is having an absolute ball of a time. We've parked on the side of the river and just having a little bit of a chill. Middle of winter, but the weather's absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Feels like it's in the early 20s. Lovely. How's the water, Josh?
Huh?
How's the water?
Good.
Not cold?
No.
Okay, go in.
Huh?
Go in then. Alright guys, well that brings us to the end of another episode of Dad and Lad Adventures. This weekend we didn't really catch much fish. We caught one little grunter and one little barbel, and that was about it. The river seemed a little bit quiet, the water's still a bit cold. Even the guys trawling and drifting and that didn't really have any luck. Spoke to another guy that got off the boat around about the same time as we did, and he only caught one little grunter as well. But towards the end of the month, we've got the Sundays River Classic coming up, which we've been doing. This will be your first one, eh, Josh?
Yeah.
Yeah, your first one. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. The event was supposed to be held at the beginning of the year, but there was quite a bit of rain, and the water was very fresh in the river, so they postponed it to the end of August. And yeah, so our ticket's moving over to that, and hopefully it'll be a little bit warmer because man, it was ice cold on the boat this weekend. Hey Josh, sure, it was very cold. But all right, guys, thanks very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, now you've just seen what Josh's tongue looks like. And we'll chat soon. Have a good evening. Ciao.